Once upon a time, in a realm far away, there lived a brave and curious princess named Seraphina. One day, while exploring near the castle, she stumbled upon an entrance to a magical deep forest. The trees whispered secrets, and the flowers bloomed in hues never seen before. Seraphina's heart raced with excitement as she ventured deeper into the forest, guided by the faint glow of fireflies. Unbeknownst to her, the forest was enchanted, full of mystical creatures and hidden wonders. As she walked, a mischievous pixie named Pip fluttered before her, leading the way. Soon, she encountered a gentle, wise old owl named Orion, who revealed that the forest was in peril. Its magic was fading, endangering all its inhabitants. Determined to help, Seraphina embarked on a quest to retrieve the lost Crystal of Lumina, the source of the forest's enchantment. Her journey was filled with challenges and trials, from solving riddles to overcoming treacherous terrain. Along the way, she forged unlikely friendships with a mischievous squirrel named Sable and a kind-hearted troll named Thorne, who had been misunderstood by others for years. With unwavering courage and the help of her newfound friends, Seraphina finally reached the heart of the forest, where the Crystal of Lumina lay guarded by a fearsome dragon. Using her wit and compassion, she managed to convince the dragon to let her take the crystal, promising to restore the forest's magic. As she returned the Crystal of Lumina to its rightful place, the forest erupted in a brilliant display of light and color. The creatures danced with joy, and the trees swayed in harmony, their enchantment fully restored. Seraphina's bravery and compassion had saved the magical deep forest. With her mission accomplished, Seraphina bid farewell to her newfound friends, knowing she could visit them whenever she wished. As she left the forest, a sense of fulfillment and wonder filled her heart. The tale of the princess who saved the magical deep forest would be told for generations, inspiring others to embrace their inner courage and protect the enchanting wonders of the world. The end.